G'day cocktail lovers. This is a cocktail 2 weeks in the making. This is the latest in my series of batched cocktails that use a jar of jam. The jam in this instance is a homemade rhubarb jam, and I'm calling this Rhubarb Rhubarb. Throwback to when I did theatre at college. If you're not familiar with it, when you're on stage and you're a background character and you're meant to look like you're talking or maybe just having low conversation, you don't say words because it can be too distracting. You go rhubarb, 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 rhubarb. Little bit of trivia for you. I mixed up the elements in this one, but I am using the same ratios as the other one. Namely, there's a jar of jam, there's 400 mils of a spirit, and then there's 3 different modifiers in there, 100 mils each. Because my partner made the jam that went into this, she's very keen to try it, but I actually get first try, so here goes. Oh, that is another winner. Ooh, that is fantastic. The booze elements in this are, as I mentioned, a spirit. In this case, I'm using a fruity or slow gin. Technically not slow gin, it's a passion fruit gin made in Australia. Then there's 100 mils of a bittersweet aperitivo. I'm using a grapefruit aperitivo. There's 100 mils of sweet vermouth, and there is 100 mils of a liqueur. In this case, I went for a black currant liqueur. These batch cocktails would be real crowd pleasers for a party. So if you've got a party coming up, you're welcome. I am showing you how to win your party with this cocktail. We make it like this. I had a 1 litre jar, and first thing that goes in is the jam. Then I added 400 mils of the slow gin, 100 mils of sweet vermouth, 100 mils of the black currant liqueur, 100 mils of the bittersweet aperitivo, and that is all the elements. Now I kept them in the jar for about a week, shaking it every day or so, trying to get the jam really infused in with all the liquids, and that worked fairly well. And because I'm a wild and crazy guy, then I put it in a barrel. It stayed in the barrel for a week. I thought it'd pick up some flavors from other things that had been in the barrel. Cocktails and wines and spirits have been in this. So a few more interesting flavors for it to pick up. And then I decanted it. Once it's decanted, all that's left to do is pour it over a big chunk of sexy clear ice. And then I garnished it with a twist of orange peel. Admittedly, this does not particularly show off the clear ice because it is not a clear cocktail, but I just like my clear ice anyway. And as I've mentioned before, another benefit of the clear ice is it does melt more slowly than regular ice, so it's going to dilute your drink less. It still will a little, but I think that just adds character as the drink changes a bit as you drink it down. This is yet another winner. This is 3 for 3 now. I kind of feel compelled. I'm going to do it again, I think. Maybe I'll make a tequila based one, an agave spirit one, maybe put a bit of mezcal in as well. Some smokiness might be nice. In fact, that's in my head. I'll turn that over for a while and decide exactly what I'm going to do. But right now, what I'm going to do is drink this. And right now, if you're not already subscribed, you should do that. And let me know if you're willing to try something like this. And I do hope you come back and see me again, because there's always something going on here in the Angry Bar. And I'd love to have you along for the ride. But until I see you again, I'll say cheers.